can easily set the time on your iOS by swiping down to open up your control center. Here you can simply hold your finger and use the scale to set it. You can set it from 1 minute and up to 2 hours. If you want to move multiple apps through your iOS screen at the same time, so hold any app, make the circular movement. Now simply tap on every other app which you want to move with your other finger and move it whatever you want. You can adjust your torch brightness on your iOS even from lock screen by simply tapping on it and dragging the scale, or you can do this from the control center. Exactly the same, tap on it and adjust it. You can also change and adjust list items in notes on your iOS by simply dragging them here and there in your notes. Quite comfortable and easy. To select or select your multiple files on your iOS, you're simply to open up those files, contacts, or whatever you're using and hold them with your 2 fingers. And now you can select everything, or as I said, deselect everything. If you're tired of seeing this annoying ads at the bottom or basically at any part of your screen, so you gotta tap here, then you're gonna press on hide distracting items and choose an item which you want to remove. Now press hide and it's gone. If you're having a trouble with selecting some specific word or paragraph, so to select the specific word, you can simply double tap on it, and to select the whole paragraph, you can triple tap on this paragraph and it's gonna be selected. On your iPhone, you can comfortably navigate through the text by simply holding your space bar and moving it around. Not many people know that if you're gonna hold your spacebar, tap your second finger on it, now you can select some specific parts of the text. If you accidentally deleted some part of text, you can simply swipe left with 3 fingers and it's gonna be restored. If you want to read it, you come back to the previous version of the text, you can simply swipe right with the 3 fingers. If you want to see all the formatting options on your screen, you can just tap here with your 3 fingers. You can set up a voice shortcuts on your iPhone by opening up your settings, accessibility settings, and finding your vocal shortcuts. Make screenshots. Make screenshots. Make screenshots. And now we can ask it to do it. Make screenshots. Make screenshots. If you open up your notes, then if you tap on this icon and press Scan Text. Then, if you bring any text, either written or handwritten, and press Insert, it will be transcribed right to your note. There is a very cool feature as a back tab, so open up your settings, find your accessibility, locate your touch, and here we gotta locate our back tab. Let's set something on it, for example, our flashlight. Now, if we're gonna double tap the back of our iPhone, we'll get our flashlight activated. If you text someone pew pew, this is what happened. You can actually record a video without music interruption from your photo mode, so you have to open up your camera, open up your photo mode, now hold your shutter button and drag it to the left, and when you release it, you can keep on recording the video. You can actually make a screenshot, then you can hold it and drag it into any other application. For example, we can drag it into our notes. If you're gonna select a bunch of photos and if you're gonna hold them together, you can actually move them into any other application. For example, we can drop them into our notes, or maybe WhatsApp or any other messenger. There is actually a secret tab menu. So for example, we digged too deep into our settings and we want to go back to some specific tab. We can always hold our finger at the back and we will see the list of all of the open tabs. And moreover, this works even in Safari. If you're swiping down in any kind of app and got too deep down and want to go back to the top, you can simply tap on any place on your status bar and you will be moved to the first point. If you'll grab your iPhone and shake it a little bit, you can actually undo any movement. On your iPhone, you can pinch any picture with these 3 fingers, just like this, to copy it. And then you can open up any application or maybe just your notes. Then you can hold your finger and paste it right here. You can actually insert any special symbol without stopping your typing. So for example, you're typing, then you can hold your symbol, tap here, and keep on typing. If you want to draw perfect shapes in notes, images, or screenshots, but you're not sure about your artistic abilities, your iPhone got you covered. So for example, let's draw this circle and hold our finger a little more. And as you see, Apple AI creates it in the perfect manner. And same goes with every kind of figure. Let's say you need to perform a quick calculation and you don't want to open up your calculator, so you can simply open up your search tab and you can perform there here. And boom, you'll get an answer. If you want to move any app in a very easy way, simply hold it so it would be in your edit move, and now you can simply move the pages of your phone without moving your app. If you're gonna open up your settings, then find your accessibility, scroll down to the very bottom to your accessibility shortcut and activate it by choosing a voice control. Then if you're gonna activate the shortcut by pressing on your power button for 3 times, 1, 2, 3, we will be able to use our iPhone by only using our voice. For example, open Safari. Open Safari. That's how it works. If you want to make your iPhone camera even more snappy, you should open up your settings. There we will find our camera and we'll find our volume up for burst. Now, when we're gonna open up our camera and use our burst mode, both in front or back mode, we can hold our volume up button and we're gonna get our burst photos. If you're going to activate Siri and say Lumos, we'll get our torch turned on, and if we say Knox, our torch will be off. Let the magic happen.